So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it off and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to turn it off again from the power button and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. It's then going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, I want to be showing you 4 ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. If you do not see Startup Repair, you want to click on Seam Recovery Options, and then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Repair. It's now going to diagnose your PC, wait for this to load. If that did not work, you want to click on Advanced Options, and then Troubleshoot, Advanced Options again, and now Command Prompt. We're going to be typing in some commands. If you see any errors on my screen, just ignore it, but in your case it should be working. So for the first command, we're going to type in cd space / Windows / System32 / config, and I click on enter. And now we're going to type in md space backup 5, click on enter. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space backup, click on enter. And now we're going to type in cd space regback, click on enter again. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space ... click on enter. And now we're going to type in exit, click on enter again. Now you just want to continue to Windows, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to come back to this screen, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And now once we're on this, we're going to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load. It's now going to take us into safe mode. Now you just want to restart your computer, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to come back to this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now you want to type in chkdsk space /f space /r space, and then your Windows drive letter with a colon. For me, it's going to be C:. For most of you, it's also going to be C:. So once you type that in, you want to click on enter. Now you just want to run the scan. I just cancelled the scan on my end because it's going to be taking too long for the tutorial, but in your case you just want to run the full scan. Once you complete this full scan, you want to close out of Command Prompt and then continue to Windows. See if that works for you.